Time for some plant-based scrambled eggs. You ready for breakfast, Karma? Yeah! Watch out. Let's turn this on. All right. Oh my goodness. Karma, you have to be right there. Oh my gosh, go lay down. So as a new vegan, about a month and a half, one of the challenges I have is finding foods that I used to eat that were animal products, but I still want to incorporate the taste into my plant-based vegan life. And one of those things is eggs. I used to love scrambled eggs, and my wife found this substitute, Just Egg. And when I first got it, I was a bit hesitant because I thought it's probably going to taste pretty nasty, but actually it tastes just like scrambled eggs. And one of my favorite breakfasts to make is a scrambled egg sandwich. So today I'm going to show you how to make that, and it's super easy, so stay tuned. But as we're doing this and I'm getting things prepped up, I want you to answer in the comments below, what food do you miss the most? Or if you're thinking about becoming a vegan but a little bit hesitant, tell me below, what food would you miss the most? Okay, so the first thing you want to do is heat up your pan. And of course, I put some vegan butter in here, earth balance, good stuff. No animal products in that. So let's heat this thing up. And so while we're waiting for this to heat up, this is super fast. You don't even have to put these eggs in very long. You just have to get like you get a medium heat going. You don't have to put it in very long. Just get this butter on there. Get the pan nice and lathered up, as they say. I don't know who says that, but this is what I say. Let's get it all lathered up like that. See? Takes very, very quick. So then you're not having sticking going on. So then you take this, shake it up a little bit, you pour it right on in. And it's very quick. It doesn't take long to heat up. Put this cap back on. Okay, and while we're doing that, waiting for that to heat up, I'm gonna put my toast in the microwave, or in the toaster. And I am using Ezekiel bread. Perfect for us plant-based folks. I'll be right back. Whoa, jeez, what the heck was that? Okay, as you see, that's heating up really fast. So what we're gonna do is take that and just really start mixing it up, getting the scrambles going. And it looks like eggs, doesn't it? Uh-oh, some splashed. I better make sure I get that cleaned up before my wife gets home. All right, and while this is going on here, what I like to do is take a little bit of pepper, just a little dab of it, take a little bit of salt, of course just a little pinch, as they say, and then continue stirring. As you see, I'm a little bit of a messy cooker here, but that's okay. It's going to be delicious, folks. Delicious. Looking good. Look at that. Delicious. Is your mouth watering right now? Do you want some scrambled eggs? I don't blame you. Okay, so now that our eggs are pretty much made, we're going to turn the fire off. I'm going to get a plate. We're going to get our toast. Put it right there. And now we are going to throw some plant-based mayonnaise on there to make it taste a little nicer. A little better. And what I do is I like to squeeze it on there. Take your knife, kind of spread it on the toast. Time to throw the eggs on top of it. Don't those look like real eggs? Look at those. Yeah. So tell me, do you like scrambled egg sandwiches? Comment below. And while you're there, hit that subscribe button. How's that look? Pretty good, huh? Get a knife, cut it in half. Uh-oh, made a mess of this thing. All right, look at that. Oh my gosh, so good. Let's go to the table and eat it. Okay, we're at the table, getting ready to eat. Look at that. Looks like a scrambled egg sandwich, doesn't it? Let's give it a bite. Delicious. I hope this helped. Like I said, pretty easy to make, tastes great, and it fits in perfectly with a plant-based diet. I'm Anthony. I'm gonna finish my scrambled egg sandwich. Until next time, remember, keep running for your best life. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.